No.
Here we go again.
We're good.
Y'all need to listen to the text.
Just something to say for Joe. Joe, please, you know that Bethel is so special to us, to me especially, being a best friend. Please, please love her, and I know you are capable to do it. And her family, the daughter and the son, you know.
And the father.
And the matching too.
That's already Holy Trinity. That's the Holy Trinity already.
I don't know. I can see in Bethel's face.
Baby,
how she
compose
will
yourself.
react.
Alright,
You're supposed to be composed.
Please kneel down.
That's right.
You're talking about the Holy Trinity already, huh?
I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Okay, okay.
Are we going to have a Holy Communion?
Right after this.
This is just the homily.
Yeah.
The homily. After the gospel, this is the homily.
Bro, kinari ka dyan. We're having mass. Bro, we're talking about it.
I'm just.
Marami ko. Join us. Holy Mass is ongoing.
Do I need to continue?
Video. Okay, continue. Video.
What's the gospel anyway?
According to
According to Lubin.
Chapter
What?
316.
3:4.
Ayaw.
1:3. No, 1:43. It's I love you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, well, anyway, I'm going to make it short now. Okay, that's.
You want to make it short?
You know, it's a short story. We will survive together.
Okay.
Where's the tissue?
Tissue word.
You see, Joe, it's only short.
I know.
It's only short.
I'm glad it's not long.
Thank you, dear.
It's only a short.
I'm so glad.
Just a short homily, okay?
Anyway, God bless you both. Bye.
Bye. Love you all. Bye. Thanks for coming.
The end.
Okay.